Hello everyone, I'm M.Sc Pavithra. I'm working in KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. Today we are discussing about the subject name is Digital Literacy and Concept. Let's see the unit 1, Introduction to the Digital Literacy Journey. Digital literacy and digitally oriented the information, social impact of computing and communication, collaborations and ethics. These are the units and topics is very important for the unit 1. Actually, I want to tell about the digital oriented. Nowadays people always like about the digital, whatever, whenever they are going, they are always like about the digital oriented. Actually, this subject is convey about how many tools is available for the digital oriented. That's also we can identify, then analyze, then evaluate. That information will be helpful for your digital oriented. If you understand the ethics and privacy oriented, if you find that's right or wrong, you can first identify. That's also very important. Next one, actually communication online. So communication is one of the tool what you are understand, actually what is your feelings and emotion you just described about the language, that is called for the uh, communication tool. Actually language is the communication tools. At the same time, digital communication means, for example, WhatsApp. If you talk any one person, your friend or family or higher authority, that time you can use the formal words. For example, I give one sentence. I give one example for yourself. I want, I need. First, you can understand want is the ordering word and need is a polite. Actually, whenever if you talk your friend, that time you can use want, but if you talk any higher authority person, that time you convey I need my original certificates. That's the correct sentence format. So communication is really very important. At the same time, you can use the essential of words is very very important, and working together for the time. Digital nowadays people always like about the kind and respect to the online and sharing the information, that is also right or wrong, you first identify, then after send it. And digital safety, actually this is really very important for our peoples, because the safety is very very important. If you using any online oriented, that time you are sharing your phone number and address, that is right or wrong, that is good website, first you can identify. That's really really very very important. And sometimes the Google is always asking about I'm not a robot, that is not a normal oriented. That is one of the, as a human they are finger touch is as a Google is verify for that you are robot or not robot. So that is also one of the. And next one, if you open the Google oriented, that time you can identify the car picture, the click the button, then after I'm not a robot. So these are the instructions is the you are the human they are identify. So digital safety is really very important. And next one, let's we start about unit 2. So unit 2 is also describe about the next level of digital oriented. For example, I'm just convey the value of literacy. So first you can understand the empowerment and communication and learning, education and employability and social participation and digital literacy. Actually, the empowerment means is the informations and ideas what you are understand. And communications means if you're sending any email and social message and LinkedIn, whatever the online platform you are using and convey. Today we are going to tracking oriented, that time you just sending the message for Google, for LinkedIn or social media, everything we are using. And learning educations is the Swime app, and so many website is available. If you are learn, actually the physical presence is not necessary. If you attend the, actually your teacher is foreigner, you are the studying in another one side. So if you want to study for other side, so that time online sources are so many available, so you can learning. So that's also very important. And next, you if you want to podcast and multimedia texters and collaboration to the platform Google, so many websites also available. Actually you are higher authority person in India, you are settled in foreign, that time you we are discuss about the Google Meet and Teams app, so many apps is available. And digital text message is Actually, we are using the WhatsApp. That's also one of the text message we are using nowadays. People are always using about. First, you can think about and send. Then after, as a receiver, they also understand for that. Thank you.